So today they have moved from being an adolescent to a 30-year-old adult. And they have a job that they have selected. It's a very awesome experience for the students to see and to, hear the dialogue as I wander around the room of the conversations they're having, and it lasts beyond just today.
All right, so what's the craziest thing you've learned so far today?
How much it is to get everything.
Okay.
And she's also surprised about her income. Mostly.
Obviously, it's important to look good in reality town. You're looking good.
Yeah.
Why are you looking good?
Well, I'm a financial manager. I have to dress for the job. In reality town, you get extra money if you dress up, so that's why it matters.
How many are in your family? 5.
In your opinion, why is it important for us to give the kids this kind of education?
Because when they reach real life, they need to understand about finances. The earlier they learn the reality of life, of what things cost and that, it gives them a head start.
What's been the most interesting thing you've learned so far today?
Just like how much money it is to do things like even childcare is really expensive. So just having to budget everything.
How cool is this? Is it kind of cool to have like a real world scenario, kind of be away from the classroom for a day?
It is, yeah. It's definitely not what I thought it would be, just walking around, but it definitely does prepare you for like writing checks and that sort of thing.
It's an amazing event that not only the schools are putting on, but the amount of community volunteers it takes for each of the middle schools to make this an impactful event for our kids.